What?
What's the date?
I'm not sure.
So Walgreens, you say?
It's like it was never even there. I'll see you in, at the end of April.
Common misconception. Common misconduct. Condoodle-doo. Common misconsumption. Common misconception. Conception. What was I saying? Months are way longer than a month.
That. You know what that is?
Yeah.
2021. In the water where it belongs. You got this. Goodbye, stranger. You see where it landed? Oh, it's right here. I'm so sorry, little buddy. Oh, it's really slimy. Ew, gross. Get out of here. All right, we have a second one from a long time ago. Let's count down, all right? 100. 99. This thing has extraordinary properties.
Common misconception. Yeah, so. I have nowhere to go. I'm just gonna stop the video.